Hello children of class 6. Today we will read English literature chapter 6, The Tree. Name of the chapter is The Tree. It is written by Indira Ananta Krishnan. Let us read and understand the chapter. It is a drama which shows the importance of trees in our life. A space station Pentoid. One stage is a large TV screen. Plura, Ronnie, Jian and Ura, dressed unusually, are about to watch TV. The eldest Plura adjusts it, flashes and sounds, and the TV gets focused on Anjana and Dev singing and dancing with a rabbit and a monkey. These children may also be dressed differently as they are Earth children migrated to another space station, Octoid. Stage lights bright on the TV screen. There is a TV screen on the stage, and the stage is decorated at a space station, and the name of the space station is Pentoid. The children are Plura, Ronnie, Jian and Ura. They dressed unusually and they are about to watch television. The eldest one is Plura, who adjusts the plugs and the switches of the TV, and then they start watching. There are two children in the television, Anjana and them, and they are singing and dancing with a rabbit and a monkey. The children may have also dressed differently because they are Earth children and migrated to another space station. The name of the space station is Octoid. Now let us read what they are telling. Anjana and Dev singing. Anjana and Dev singing in the television. Auntie Vajanti has a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm are mango trees, E-I-E-I-O, with a mango here and with a mango there. Here a mango, there a mango, everywhere a mango, mango. Plura, what is it? Now, after when they heard this rhyme in the television, then Ura asked to Plura, what is a mango? They actually don't know what is mango. Plura says, keep quiet, Ura. Listen and watch. We shall find out later. Then Plura said, maintain silence, keep quiet, and listen and watch. Hear and see. We shall find it later what is mango. Song continues. Now apple to replace mango. Now the song is continuing, and in place of mango they are telling apple. Ronnie, apple, Jian, what could that be? Now Ronnie is telling Jian what could be apple. Jian, obviously this is some program relayed from a weird place. I cannot understand head or tail of the song. Let us watch it anyway, Ronnie. Then Jian is telling, really, this is a program which is relayed from a weird place. Weird place means strange place. And I cannot understand head or tail of the song. And Jian is telling he cannot understand top or bottom. Head and tail of the song means what is the beginning and what is the end. What is the top, what is the bottom. He cannot understand. Let us watch it anyway, Ronnie. But Jian is telling, let us watch it, let us see it anyway. While they talk, children in the background keep dancing. Some continues guavas to replace apple. Guava, what a funny name. Wonder what it means. Now Ura is telling, guava is very funny name. And what it means, they don't know what is guava. Anjana, Dev and animals leave stage. Plura switches off the television. Anjana Dev and animals leave the stage, go from the stage, and then Plura switches off the television. Switches off the television means put off the television. Plura, tree, what is a tree? Must find out. Come along, Uda, Ronnie and Jion. Plura is telling here they are talking about tree. What is a tree? We must find out what is tree. They are the children of space station. They don't know what is tree, what is mango, guava, apple. They don't know. Ronnie, how are we going to find out? Who would know the meaning of tree? Then Ronnie is telling, how can we find out the name of the tree, about the tree? Who are going to tell us about the tree? Jian, idea, let us ask Grandpa. Then Jian is telling, there is an idea, let us go and ask to Grandpa. Exit children. Exit children means go from their children. Now scene 2. Scene first we have read and understood. Now we are going to read scene 2. Grandpa on a rocking chair. Eyes closed. Children come in. He reopens his eyes and watches them curiously. Grandpa is sitting in a rocking chair. Rocking chair means the chair which shake after sitting. Eyes closed and his eyes are closed. When children come in, he reopens his eyes. He opens his eyes and watches them curiously. Curiously means with eagerness. He watches them with eagerness. Ronnie, Grandpa, what is a tree? Ronnie is asking to Grandpa, what is a tree? Jion, and a mango and an apple. Now Jion is asking, what is mango, what is an apple? Grandpa, looking more and more surprised. Where did you pick up these ancient words from? Grandpa is very much surprised, very much astonished, and he wants to know where did they pick these words, ancient words. Ancient words means old words. These words are very old for them. These old words. Plura, the TV, when we switched it on, there was some outlandish song. When they switched, Plura is telling, when they switched on the TV, there was some outlandish song, some strange song, and dance program going on. It was all about trees, and that dance and song was all about trees. Grandpa, excited and alert. Possible, let me hear the song. Children, can you sing it for me? Grandpa is excited and alert also. Alert means he is warned. And he said possible, maybe, and he wants to hear the song, whether children could sing it or not. Plura, I suppose we can, a bit of it at least. Plura is telling, I think we can sing a bit of it, means a piece of song from it. Children sing first verse without background music. Now children sing the song, first verse of the song, and there was no background music. Ura, did you understand what we said? Grandpa nods. Ura asked, did you understand, Grandpa, what we sang, what we said in the song? Then Grandpa nods. Nods means shook his head to say yes. Ronnie, great. Then tell us, Grandpa, what the song is all about. Then Ronnie asked Grandpa, tell us what the song is about. We have read up to here today that Ronnie asked Grandpa what the song is about after singing the song which they watched in the television about mango, guava and apple, and they want to know, all the children are Plura, Ronnie, Jion and Ura. They want to know about tree, mango, guava and apple from Grandpa, and next day we will continue the lesson. Thanks.